Hi, are you here because for the last week or so you are seeing reviews on this serum all over social media, but only sponsored ones, and you are curious that if it works or not? Well, you're in the right place.
The way your body syncopates.
Hi, I'm Samiksha Baikar and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review this bad boy right here. Drumroll please. L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. For the last week or so, I can't even tell you how many times I've seen the serums review go around on social media, but the reviews I have seen were all sponsored. I mean, there's nothing wrong with sponsorship, of course, but as a consumer, that question comes to your mind, okay, everyone is doing a sponsored review, does it really work? I had the same question, so I decided to make a video. So let's start with our video and let's see if it works out or not. Before starting the video, I just want to say my biggest concern about any serum is that it should be able to control frizz, because my natural hair is curly and it gets extremely frizzy. First things first, let's talk about its packaging. It's a glass bottle. Compared to the other serums I have, this one is really heavy. This serum is for 499 rupees for 100 ml. It's locked this way. You have to twist it in order for the product to come out. This serum is a blend of 6 different flower extract oils. This serum is for all hair types. On front of this bottle it says versatile use, extraordinary moisture, softness and shine. Now let's look at the claims this serum makes. First one, to nourish your hair. Second, to protect it from heat damage up to 230 degrees Celsius. Third one, to smoothen. Fourth one is to give you 6 times shine and no frizz. One claim I'm very excited to see if it works out or not is the frizz part. I really have frizzy hair, so if it works out for me, it is really good. Uses of the serum are: first one, to apply it before shampooing your hair like you would normally apply any oil. Second one is before drying, that is when your hair is damp, you apply the serum and you can air dry your hair or you can use heat. Third one is before styling. Fourth one is as a finishing tool. You can either apply it after straightening your hair or after styling it to just give it more shine. Fifth one is as a overnight treatment. So what you are going to see in this video and how I'm going to use this serum. First one is after washing my hair, I want to see what it does to my natural hair, like I can actually go out like that or not. Second one is to try it with heat. I will try to straighten my hair and see if it controls the frizz after that or not, because normally when I straighten my hair gets frizzy after 25 to 30 minutes of straightening. And third one, how it works after several hours of applying it. Take 2 to 3 drops of serum on your hand and apply it on your damp hair. Right now my hair is 15 to 20% dry. How my hair looks when it is completely dried down. On back of its packaging it says hair feels smooth and lightweight with a non-greasy finish, and I have to say I agree with it. My hair doesn't feel greasy. I don't even feel like I have applied serum on my hair. The serum didn't weigh my hair down. My hair really feels very smooth. One of its claim was it controls frizz, and let me tell you, it really works. I can't tell you how frizzy my hair gets when it is dried down. right now it's at its best. It has fragrance in it, but right now I don't really smell anything. It is very subtle. Now let's see how it works with styling tools. Every single time in this video I say straightening my hair or straight hair, I don't really mean pinpoint straight hair but more of like wavy look. I am just going to take the straightening iron and just go over my hair once. What it does is that it doesn't give it more like straight look but wavy, and that is the look I'm going for. The way it looks after straightening, I mean, I can't even tell you how frizzy my hair gets. It's been 15 to 20 minutes since I have straightened my hair. Normally it would get frizzy, but right now I can't even tell you how good it feels. It is so soft. On back of its packaging it says this woody floral scent. I really don't know about the woody part, but it really smells like floral. Update time, it's been almost 3 to 4 hours and my hair is still not frizzy. My final thoughts on this product is I love this product. It makes my hair soft, it gives them shine. Third, it makes them frizz free, which was my biggest concern. Fourth, it gives my curly hair definition, which is really good. And fifth, it leaves a nice fragrance, which is a +1. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click on that bell button. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment down in the description box. If you want to see more of my videos, I will leave a playlist right here.